Hey there, my name's Steve, and I'm the head of community for Pinata, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Pinata CLI. To get started, you'll want to sign into your Pinata account at app.pinata.cloud, and once you're there, we need to make an API key. So you can click on the Developers tab here, and then click New Key. From here, you'll want to select the Admin button just to give it full access, and give it a name like Pinata CLI, and then hit Create Key. Then it's going to show you all of the API key information. You'll want to copy all of this and put it somewhere safe. You don't want to expose this information. This instance is okay because I'm going to delete this key later so none of y'all can use it. But yes, want to keep this safe and don't let anybody see it. Once that's done, you want to go to your terminal app. And in order to use the CLI, you will have to have a few things installed. One of those is going to be npm, which is a package manager. You can make sure if you have that or don't have that by running npm-v, and it should give you the version. If you don't have this installed, I'll leave a link down below on how you can install it to your computer. Now that we have npm installed, we can actually go ahead and install the Pinata CLI by doing this. Typing in npm install -g Pinata upload CLI. You just hit enter. There we go, and it is downloaded. And to make sure that it's downloaded correctly and that everything's working, you'll want to run Pinata CLI-v, and it should give you the version of the CLI. Now that you have the Pinata CLI installed, the next step is going to be authenticating it and giving it your API key. You can do this by typing in Pinata CLI-a for authentication, and you want to copy over this long JWT you have here. So just paste that in and hit enter. And if it works, it's going to say authenticated. If you have a problem with that, you may want to make your API key again. And now it's time to actually upload some files or some folders. And to do that, you'll want to navigate to the parent directory or folder. And I'll explain what I mean by that. If I hit ls here, it's going to show all the files or different folders I have on my computer. And in this instance, I have a folder of images on my desktop. And so in order for me to get there, I just need to do cd or change directory, type in desktop, and now I'm there. And if I hit ls, you're going to see the folder of images that I have. Now in order to actually upload it, I'm going to do Pinata CLI-u for upload, and then the name of the folder, and hit enter. Once it starts uploading, you are going to see some percentage over here. And you can just ignore the 0 dot and just look at the percentage in this way. So we have 20%, 30%, etc. That's going to take just a few seconds to go ahead and upload. Once it's done, it's going to say that it's pinning. And then once it's complete, you'll show that it shows IPFS hash or the CID. And that means you're all set. We can actually go look at this file or folder in our app. If we go back there and go to files and wait a few seconds, you'll see we have it pop up here with the CID. Yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any thoughts, comments, or questions, feel free to let us know on our website or by emailing team@pinata.cloud. And of course, feel free to join our Discord at discord.gg/pinata. Y'all have a good one.